this is What You Waiting For, a woman's perspective on everyday prepping. And I wanted to do a video response to Gary Mule. I've watched quite a few of his videos. I love them, and I just am a recent subscriber. And he wanted to know what we learned in 2011 from YouTube and how we put it in action. There's quite a bit that I learned, but not that I have used yet. I've learned a lot about pressure pressure canning. I haven't got a pressure canner yet, so I can't put that in action yet. But I did, at the beginning of the year, see a lot of people on YouTube recommend this is the attachment for the Seal-A-Meals, the vacuum sealers, the food savers, and what it is, this is a large mouth, but they also have a regular. I have both. You put them on your canning jars. It sucks the air out of your canning jars, and you can can things in them. Like I have here peppermint sticks. We have dehydrated corn. I have some with chocolate chips, chocolate candies. I have cough drops. I have done a lot of different things using the vacuum seal attachment. So that is the thing that I mostly learned this year in 2011 that I've actually put into action. And I wanted to say congratulations to him. This is his 1,000 sub contest. Congratulations. That's a great milestone to hit. You really deserve it. And I did have to say one more thing before I went. I had a personal message asking me about my hair because it's usually down. So I wanted to show that I did not cut my hair or anything, and it's not in a ponytail. I did a bun. So if you see my hair look like this, now you'll know. No, I did not cut my hair. Sorry, I had to add that to it. Anyway, what you waiting for? Bye.